Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to log in to Snapchat on PC. Firstly, you need to open up a browser on your PC according to your preference. On the search engine, click over there and search Snapchat. Now click on the Snapchat login. You will be required to enter your username or email, or you can use phone number instead. Then tap on Next. You will be required to enter your password. Then tap on Next. If you want to save your login info, then tap on Save, or if you don't want, then tap on Never. Now successfully you have logged in Snapchat on your PC. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.